Hello, I'm Chris Ferguson, CEO of Credence International, a corporate and private client advisory based in Dubai in the UAE. Credence International works with clients around the world offering investment management in highly regulated jurisdictions from long-established discretionary investment managers. I welcome the opportunity to give you a market update on the world's current investment environment. Large growth in developed markets in 2016, particularly the UK and the US markets. We've seen interest rates increase in the US, decrease in the UK. We've seen a Brexit decision and then unprecedented movements in UK sterling to weaken and dollar domination. We obviously have a US election happening on November the 8th. At this time, we can look back over the past 80 years and look at the statistics. Previous stock market growth under a Republican government has annualised 5.4%. Under a Democratic government over the last 80 years, it's produced a growth rate of 14.7%. So if we used empirical data, you would say that a Republican government would be a bad thing, a Democratic government would be positive. 2017 sees the start of the actual Brexit. We've got French and German elections, and we've got central banks around the world having to try and deal with inflationary pressures. Current views by asset class are that we expect developed market equities to remain robust, particularly the US over Japan, the UK over Europe, and the weak sterling will help the inflows into the UK market. We see that bond yields will continue to be low, interest rates remain relatively stable at low levels, and we would expect to see some recovery in the oil price moving forward. For further weekly updates, please log on to the Credence International website, which is www.credence-international.com. If you log on to our insights section on our website, you'll find market updates weekly, you'll find market commentary, and a whole host of other information about what's happening in the world and how we can benefit the investment landscape. In terms of our other social media, we're on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and we would love you to engage further with us on there. I'd like to thank you for investing your time with us today.